Hey there, this is Elena. I am the creator of Solo Cleaner Life, and I like to support other solo cleaners like myself. Hey there! So, I want to show you a couple of really great stretches that I do to avoid long-term wrist and hand pain, which I have experienced in the past. I know it's really common. We're gripping our vacuums and mops a lot, and gripping cloths, gripping spray bottles. So sometimes I try to be aware of switching hands if I feel a lot of cramping or stiffness in my right hand, which is my main hand. But I do use both hands a lot, and so I'm still going to experience some of that soreness and overuse. So one of the main stretches that I love the most to do is to very gently pull my hand back like this. And as you gain more flexibility in your wrist and fingers, you'll find it easier to push back more. And I recommend doing it for holding it for at least a minute or two. The longer you hold stretches, the better it is for your muscles, and you're going to gain flexibility. So that's one of the reasons why, when people do yoga, they hold a pose for a long time. At first it can feel strange, and then the longer you hold it, it really starts to loosen and feel really good. So do that with both hands. Gently pulling back. It's stretching my wrist as well as my fingers and my whole hand. And then it helps to go the other way. Just kind of bend them back. I'm all cracky. Another really good one is in between your fingers. There are these pressure points. And so when you spend a lot of time gripping, it can really help to use like a really nice lotion. A lot of us has dry hands from using gloves a lot. So put a nice lotion on your hands and then massage your fingers in between in this pressure point and squeeze it really hard. And if you squeeze, look on this side of my hand, if you squeeze really hard in between the joint, you're going to feel some real relief there, especially in between the second and third and fourth. Right here, and then in between your thumb and your index finger is a really great pressure point. So I just recommend very gently massaging it if you're not used to doing that. And then the more your hands become kind of more flexible, you can squeeze a lot harder. Just give yourself a really vigorous hand massage. You're going to feel a lot of relief, and it does actually, I think, help in other areas too. It tends to help me with headaches or stress-related neck and shoulder pain. So let me show you a couple other things with the hands. So also just gently pulling each of your fingers and joints out. Sometimes I have my son do this for me. I'll say, hey, pull my finger. We do this to each other. We kind of gently pull each other's fingers. Not hard, but kind of let gravity pull your hand and your arm down. And so you're going to get a lot of looseness there. And then another really nice thing to do is massage the base of your hand. There's a lot of stiffness around your wrist here and where your hand meets. So if you massage the base right here, where your thumb meets, and then the joint, your big thumb joint here. And something that I really like to use is CBD. If you've never tried it, it really can relieve so many pain and inflammation issues. So just a quick hand and foot massage with CBD lotion or something like that is really helpful. Then there's other things I really like to use, like there's this O'Keeffe's Working Hands cream that I know a lot of other people in the group like too. So you can put some of that on and give yourself a nice hand massage, take care of yourself. And I've included a link also to compression gloves. So if you have a lot of maybe elbow, arm pain, wrist and hand pain from overuse, and maybe someone's even told you that you have carpal tunnel, those kinds of compression gloves can really help that condition go away or lessen and make it easier for you to still be able to work. The compression gloves and socks, they're very, very tight, and they'll help relieve pain. They actually, the tightness makes it easier for you to grip things, and then later when you take them off, you feel relief as well. So I included a link to those, and I hope you find it useful. All right, have a great rest of your Saturday.